If you think your bullet journals, study notes, or sketches are looking a little flat, you need to see this. These aren't your average boring highlighters. These are dual tip glitter highlighter sets, and honestly, they are a total game changer for anyone who loves a little sparkle. First of all, let's talk about the glitter. It's not overpowering or messy. It's beautiful. It's a little shimmer that instantly elevates your page. But the real magic, the fun line style tips. Look at this. As you draw, it creates these gorgeous rolling pattern lines effortlessly. You get six vibrant colors that literally change how you decorate and organize. Now, beyond looking pretty, these are incredible practical. The dual tip design gives you a total versatility. You can use the classic chisel tip for bold, smooth highlighting, and the creative tip for borders, journaling, and detailing. They are absolutely ideal for students trying to make studying less tedious, artists looking for a unique touch, or anyone obsessed with aesthetic planning. Plus, they glide like butter without ruining your paper. You get a full pack of six unique colors, and right now, they are super affordable. And whether you're treating yourself or grabbing the perfect gift for a stationery lover, you cannot go wrong with these. Bring your notes to life and add a little shine to your daily routine, and then you will be all set with these colors.